tell you a funny story. Today I was in the grocery store standing in line and I only got like three items, like three small boxes of some bars, right? And I was looking for the self checkout. And I walked around this grocery store and I didn't see any self checkouts. And the only lanes that were open were like people with grocery carts full of groceries. And I was like, really? I gotta sit here and wait? Not that I'm an impatient person, but I'm so used to self checkout. When I just get a couple items, I can just go to self checkout, boop, 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 and just get right out of there. And I had a lot of time to wait and think. And I thought about, believe it or not, queues. So in cloud computing, there's this concept of queues, right? And I thought about that the self checkout is kind of like almost like analogous to a priority queue, right? So even though I didn't get there first, somebody got there in the grocery store before me, because I have only a few amount of items, now I can go into like a self checkout, for example, or perhaps even an express lane is a better item, because this grocery store didn't, not only did it not have self checkout, they also didn't have an express lane. So I just had to go into standard queue just like everybody else. So when you're building a cloud architecture, think about queues. Think about a standard queue, for example, and thinking about a priority queue. Maybe you have a certain tier that you offer in your service, and for customers that are willing to pay for a higher tier, now they have a priority queue. So you can have some logic built in your application to distinguish between who goes standard, who goes priority. So yeah, this is just how my mind works. Light bulbs just go off in random places, and today it went off in the grocery store.